Hover over the line between schedule trigger and HTTP request. Click the plus that appears. Select flow and if. This creates two paths: true, meaning conditions met, and false, conditions not met. We need to set rules for the true branch to execute. From the left input panel, drag day of the week from the schedule trigger into the value 1 field. Click the center dropdown and change it to is not equal to under string conditions. Set value 2 to Saturday. Click Add Condition for a second rule. Make sure the dropdown between conditions says and. We need both conditions true. Not Saturday and not Sunday. Not just one of them. Set up the second condition. Day of the week is not equal to Sunday. Execute the step. Since I'm testing on a Wednesday, the output goes to the true branch. Back on the canvas, it got a bit messy. Click the Tidy Up button to auto-arrange everything. That's the brush icon at the bottom left. See the two branches? True goes to HTTP request. False goes nowhere. So, if it's a weekday, the workflow continues. If it's a weekend, it stops. You could add different actions to the false branch, or leave it empty to just terminate the workflow. Test the whole workflow with execute workflow. Check Slack, and there's your quote.